Welcome to the Gist Update, and today I'm going to show you how you can run an effective Instagram ads on your Instagram account. This is a free lesson, so I need you to take it very serious. So let's start with how to properly set it up. So like the video and share this video to those who you know that might need it also. So this is it. You click on boost post. Then the first one is more profile visits. That is, you want people to get attracted to your page. Actually, this is actually effective in a sense that whenever people are brought to your page, they either click on the post and maybe they like the product or the service, so they want to use it. So more website visits. That is the link dropped on your profile page. The link there. That is what they call the website. Your website. You have to have a website, and the way you can actually create your website in the next video, check the description video. You see a link to the video there on how to create a website for your business. More messages, that is your WhatsApp, Instagram messages, that any message at all you want, maybe Gmail, that's all those things, they are messages. So those things will be on your dashboard. So if you want more messages, it will be in the action button right here. So now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do the first one, that is more profile visit. It is more effective actually. So select target audience. So what result do you like from this ad? Special ad category. You are required to declare if your ads are related to credit, employment, housing, social issues, elections, or politics. You can pay attention to this. None of this is my business because none of my ads are related to any of those. So, well, employment, these are something. This is something that most people need. Real estate, housing, social issues like family issues, elections, politics. If they are related to that, you can click on any of it right there. So, but me, I don't have any concern with that. So, Instagram targets people like your followers, local advertisement, create your own manual. So, I advise you to create your own manual target. Click on that. So, it will show you the location you want. Okay, so what are the products I want to sell now? Okay, this page is selling logos. What are the people? Who are the people that I want to target? I actually want Nigerians because it is easier. If I say I should go abroad and all those things, the payments and the issues of so Nigerian is better and easier for us to communicate. So let's go with Nigeria. You can go locally if you want a specific location, that is a specific place. Like now, I'm in Ikeja. Let's say you want to target beggar. Now, I will specifically type in beggar. I'll specifically type in beggar. Sorry. You have to search for it. Now, let's say I'm looking for beggar. No, beggar. Okay, it's giving me issue. So let's go maybe Ikeja. Okay, that's a specific place. So wherever you want exactly, that's where they will target your location to. So it's either you choose between regional or local, and you can only choose more than one. You cannot choose more than one country. So tick it. So what are your based in interest? So what am I doing? I'm selling logos. So what are the interests I want? Who are the people that have interest in something like that? Those are the people that are into business. I can target students that are just finishing schools, the ones to do affiliate marketing and stuff. I can target, businesses in Lekki, in Lagos Island, and so on and so forth. I can target as many places as I want based on their interest. So let's go with business. Okay, let's just go with small business. Small business. That you understand? So we'll give you some specific things under it also that are related to it. So it's either you can pick as much as you want. You can see I'm picking as much as I want, as much as you want, and the more you pick, the less the load on it. So pick as much as you want, then take it. Then the age and gender leave it like that is 18 to whatever. But if the age you want is smaller than that or higher than that, you can pick it if you want. But the high 65, so targeting male and female, the two of them. So click it. You can see the estimated audience. So once you are done, click on it. Okay, the name. The reason why they ask for the name is because so that you can able to identify with it among all your ads. So now so click on next. Now what is your budget? Before you pick this, please make sure to have it in mind that what is your game, what is your aim, what is your goal on this business you're about to advertise. Once you have an aim, you have a goal, you are good to go. I want you to focus right now because this is the point where you might end up fucking up and you'll be like, why is there no results yet on this stuff? Now, look at it. They say 900 naira for 9,000. This is the minimum, and 2 to 6,000 to reach. And it's not everybody that is here that will click or interact or communicate. Few who communicate, few might just reach and just not be interested in whatever you are doing. So now to think wisely. So once you are through with that, click on next. Then that is all about it. So your budget is 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, and the VAT and everything. So you click on boost post and then add your payment method. And you're good to go. And your payment method can be giving you some kind of issues. So in my next video, I'll do a video about that also. Thank you. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time.